Are you worried about staying healthy? Welcome back to 10 Things YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into some simple, natural ways to boost your immunity. In a world where staying healthy is more important than ever, these tips can make a big difference. So let's get started. Our first tip is all about what you eat. A balanced diet is the cornerstone of good health and well-being. Foods rich in vitamins C and D, like oranges, strawberries, and spinach, can strengthen your immune system. These nutrients are essential for fighting off infections and keeping your body in top shape. Try to include a colorful variety of fruits and veggies in every meal. The more colors on your plate, the more nutrients you're getting, which can boost your energy levels and overall health. And don't forget healthy fats like nuts, seeds, and avocados, which reduce inflammation and help the body absorb nutrients. These healthy fats are also great for your heart and can keep you feeling full and satisfied longer. Next up, sleep. It's crucial for your overall well-being. It's super important for immune health and mental clarity. When you sleep, your body produces proteins called cytokines that fight infections and reduce inflammation. Aim for 7 to 8 hours each night to give your body a chance to recover, rejuvenate, and protect itself. Tip 3. Stay hydrated. Did you know dehydration can weaken your immune system? Water helps your body flush out toxins and keeps your cells functioning. Try to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day and add a squeeze of lemon for a vitamin C boost. Tip 4. Manage stress levels. High stress levels can actually lower your immune defenses, so managing stress is key. Take breaks to meditate, practice deep breathing, or spend time doing activities you love. Even just 10 minutes of relaxation a day can make a big difference. Tip 5. Regular exercise. Exercise doesn't just keep you fit, it boosts your immune system too. Regular physical activity can help flush bacteria out of the lungs and airways, reducing your chances of getting a cold, flu, or other illness. Aim for about 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. This can include activities like jogging, cycling, or even a fun game of tennis. This can be anything from a brisk walk to dancing. The key is to find something you enjoy so you'll stick with it. Moving your body helps circulate immune cells and keeps you feeling great. Plus, regular exercise can improve your mood, increase your energy levels, and help you sleep better at night. Remember, boosting your immunity doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about making mindful choices every day. Whether it's taking a few minutes to meditate, preparing a nutritious meal, or simply enjoying a walk in nature, these small actions can have a big impact on your overall well-being. Small, consistent changes in your lifestyle can make a huge difference. Drinking a green smoothie, engaging in light exercises like yoga, and ensuring you get a good night's sleep are all steps towards a healthier you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your journey to better health. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, your health is your wealth, so take care of yourself and keep striving for a balanced and joyful life.